What's up, guys? Welcome back to another awesome video. We have the viral dumplings.
He bought it for me.
Yeah.
I want him to open it.
Because she saw it at a gas station. She wanted it. She didn't have enough money, so I bought it.
He saw it and told me.
Well, yeah. Okay, guys, turn around. Face this way. But we're going to let them see first. Okay, guys. The rarest ones is gold, silver, and pink, clear, glitter. Okay, now I'm going to close it. Okay, now you guys can turn around. You guys ready? So, oh! We got it! We got it! The glitter! The glitter!
A 1 in 1,000 chance?
Yes!
Come here.
Oh my god! We got the glitter!
Go!
Yo!
Can we squeeze it?
Oh my god! That was insane!
Okay, don't do that.
Tell me if it sees it.
Don't do that. Yes, they can see it.
Guys, we got a one of the rarest ones. Oh my god. Okay, bring it up to the camera and squeeze it. Yes, that's the glitter one. The glitters are really rare.
Smiley.
Guys, you guys have to like and subscribe after that. That was insane pull. And this was our first one ever getting.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Please, Joe.
He's happy. He'll only be happy if you like and subscribe. Alright, guys.
He is happy.
Like and subscribe. Bye.